Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new TracTech Evo 4 CE full gauntlet race gloves. The TracTech Evo 4 CE full gauntlet race gloves are bar none the absolute best value in a full gauntlet race glove that we have to offer. Better than you're going to find anywhere, any planet, any universe. $124.99 is what we're selling these gloves for. We brought in a total of 500 pair. These are replacing the popular TracTech Evo R gloves from RST. We sold hundreds of those. I have a pair myself that I rode in for, 3 seasons. I love these gloves. These are part kangaroo, part cowhide. The palm is all kangaroo. The rest of the glove is cowhide. We're going to break down features and bennies here in a minute, right? We brought in every colorway in these gloves. We've got the fluorescent yellow. We've got the blue. We've got a camo print, red, white. And yes, for you Kawasaki riders, I even brought in the green. When it comes to a race glove, you won't find a better value. And gloves are a real funny thing, right? Gloves are like tires. There is a lot of just mechanical wear with a glove. This is how you control the motorcycle. Your hands are all over the grips and the bars and the levers, right? Constantly in motion, always tons of friction. You get a quality product like this that sells at an unbelievably fair price, right? If you're one of those riders that's really hard on gloves and you're disappointed because you've been buying $250 or $300 gloves and they only make it a season or half a season or maybe 2 seasons, you get a product like this, you can afford to buy 2 pair at a time and have a spare set ready to rock and roll. As I've just shown you, the longevity of this product is also excellent. Tremendous value here. This is nothing but a home run from start to finish. Let's talk sizing. I wear a 2X in most common gloves out there. Lo and behold, I have a 2X on right now, and they fit and feel exactly as I would expect. Very little break-in will be required with this glove. 2 layers of kangaroo are used here in the palm. DuPont Kevlar and Kevlar stitching used here in the palm. And that second layer and that reinforcement, there is our palm slider. We've talked about this a million times. Palm sliders and track-oriented gloves go hand in hand. What that does is when most of us fall, we want to put our hands out to brace ourselves. Having a plastic palm slider increases the potential for just sliding instead of gripping. When it just glides along the pavement, it makes the crash a little easier. If it were to grip, transmits energy through your wrist, can damage your scaphoid, create a tumble, pull the glove apart, all those things. So you want to see a palm slider anytime you have a full-on race glove. Full knuckle protector. We have a floating knuckle here, so as you wrap your hand around the bars, this is able to move very freely. Motion panels in all 3 of the fingers. We have the conjoined, and it's kind of with a stretch panel, pinky finger. Safety wrap here. This is an impact zone, no doubt, so you see how they bring the Kevlar up here. Extra layer of leather right there as well to manage abrasion. Protection for the end of the ulna. Safety strap. Double closure system for the gauntlet. Plenty of adjustment there. And if we go inside the glove too, you will see the glove is actually lined on the back side in full Kevlar. This is an excellent product. We have a lot of experience with it because, as I said previously, we've sold hundreds and hundreds of pairs of the Evo R. Wish these would have came in a little bit earlier in the season, but they are here now and they are ready for you. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to make sure you get the right gear for your next ride.